हेलो फ्रेंड, मेरा नाम है अजीत। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट गॉल स्टोन। गॉल स्टोन अदरवाइज कॉल कोलेथियासिस। सो फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे अबाउट liver. So this is the liver, and this ligament is called falciform ligament. The divided, there is the right side and this left side, and this is called right hepatic duct, and this is left hepatic duct, and this is a gallbladder. So we'll see that gallbladder stone or cholelithiasis. So, and this is the name, this is the common hepatic duct, and this is the common bile duct. So what happening basically, when this is a gallbladder, so bile is stored here after producing in liver, the bile is storing here. So when it is necessary, when bile is necessary for digestion, so one hormone is secreted that is called cholecystokinin. So due to stimulation of cholecystokinin, bile is coming for dialysis, means for digestion. So this is about the liver. Our will main focus on that is gallbladder stone. So this is the gallbladder. So where is the stone formation will be there? Gallbladder stone. Otherwise it is called cholelithiasis. So फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे अबाउट बाइल. सो बाइल क्या होता है? बाइल इज द फ्लूइड दैट प्रोड्यूस इन लिवर. सो बाइल इज फ्लूइड दैट प्रोड्यूस इन लिवर. सो वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट आई वांट टू ऐड, वो क्या है? दैट इज दिस इज लिवर इज अदरवाइज कॉल्ड hepatic system. Why it is called hepatic system? Because liver is containing hepatocyte cell. So this is otherwise called hepatic. So here coming to our definition, bile definition. Bile is the fluid that produces in liver and help for digestion of fat. So how gallstone is forming? Gallstone is forming due to when that bile is there na, when the bile is became a hard and uh, when bile is become a hardened deposit in the digestive fluid, when the bile is became a hard hair. So this is a pathological condition. In this condition, gallbladder stone is formed. So how it is formed? Gallstone or cholelithiasis, when digestive fluid or bile is hardened deposit of the digestive fluid. When the bile is accumulated and became a hard, so it is leads to gallbladder stone. Now next coming to the classification of gallstone or cholelithiasis. So cholelithiasis first class is cholesterol cholelithiasis, when gallbladder or gallstone is formed due to due to deposition of cholesterol, that is called gallstone cholesterol cholelithiasis. When accumulation of pigment, due to accumulation of pigment, and there is a became a hard of that bile gallbladder due to accumulation of pigment, so that is called pigment cholelithiasis. And mixed means when there is a cholesterol and pigment both are formed and became hard in that gallbladder, so that is called mixed cholelithiasis. Now coming to the another portion, when basically what is happening in gallbladder stone, there is a bile is became a hard, so that leads to gallbladder stone. It form of a stone like structure, and a stone like thing is happening in the gallbladder. And one more important things, cholecystitis. When cholecystitis is happening, cystitis, when there is the bile is, this is the bile, when the bile is accumulated, and due to accumulation of bile, there is, if infection is there, that is called cholecystitis. So that is about gallbladder stone and cholelithiasis. Thank you watching these videos. If you think this video is useful for you, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.